go to Disney World, fam? Okay, here we go. You ready to take off?
No.
Hey, so you ready to take off?
Yeah.
Nice.
And we just love it.
Yeah.
So keep watching.
Yeah. Yeah. You dancing? Well, welcome to day one of our family vlog to Disney World. We're in the car heading to the airport. Well, actually, we're going to pick up mommy from work first, and then we're going to the airport. But the kids are in the back, and they're super excited about the trip. Say hey, girls.
Hi.
Hey, are you girls so excited to fly down to Disney tonight?
Hi.
Oh, Boston's saying hey too. We're heading to mommy's work right now, but we're gonna go to Disney World for 2 weeks.
For 2 reasons.
For 2 reasons. What are those 2 reasons, Ella?
Because that we're so excited and we want to spend time with our family a lot.
Yeah.
And there's another reason. We want to have lots of fun.
Yeah, we do. I think we're gonna have a ton of fun at Disney World.
And we're gonna swim and you guys get to see us.
Yeah, it's gonna be a blast.
And Al and Dad will throw me into the water. Yeah, he'll do that to me too.
That's what we're gonna stay at the Riviera Resort, the Grand Floridian, and where's the third one?
Boardwalk.
Boardwalk, yeah. That's gonna be so fun. Okay, we are officially here waiting for Mom to come.
Dad, is the video going?
Uh-huh.
We are so excited to go.
Yeah.
So you guys, we're almost about to go to the airport and it will take sort of that I thought it would take.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the airport and fly. Hello.
Mama!
Say hi to the camera, Mommy.
Hi, let's go to Disney World.
Okay, baby Lay's about to fall asleep.
Guys, let's go to Disney World.
We ready to go to Disney World, fam? Okay, here we go. You excited to get on the shuttle to go to the airport, Hazel?
Everything's so happy.
Yeah, it is. Okay, are you excited to get on the shuttle, Hazel? Pretty soon. Okay, here we go.
That one's Hazel's.
This one's Ella.
Okay, you're holding the blankets?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're ready to go then.
Why do you have this hanging here?
I thought that was intentional. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, here we go. Okay, we have to go this way, girls, to get checked in. No, we'll be bringing those with us. Okay, we gotta find Frontier. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. No, where the red arrow is, I want you to go here, right there. I put your blankets in one of these, please.
Okay.
Put that bag in here.
Yeah. Or this one right here. Yep.
Every bag you got in the bin for me.
Okay. Awesome.
Yep, we're gonna walk down.
Yeah, but what are you doing? Nice. Let's get your dude, Boston. Dude.
Watch everyone see it. That's what it's about.
Hello. Having a while. It is Bosch. Want to do tablet, dude? I think it might be in mine, honey. Let me.
No.
Hey, so you ready to take off?
Yeah.
Nice. This is gonna be so much fun. You ready to take off?
It's on display.
Hey, so how many times have you flown on an airplane?
I don't know.
Is this like about your 5th time?
I think 6.
You're pretty much an expert at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm 6 years old.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna taxi to the runway now.
We're gonna start driving.
about halfway there.
Yeah, halfway.
Hazel's hanging in strong.
Yeah, other siblings are
Sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah, Boston and Ella are sleeping. Mommy's trying to get baby Leia down.
And I'm just staying up. Woof.
Just having fun.
Yep.
Too excited.
Yeah, just too excited
What are you most excited about for the trip?
to do the meet and greets and ride.
The meet and greets and rides. Which meet and greets are you most excited about?
Anna and Elsa and Moana and all of them.
Uh-huh.
By the way, we get to see like the builders build on the Monsters Inc. place and Encanto place.
It feels like we're maybe... Okay, we need to fasten our seatbelts.
Got my seatbelt on.
Nice. You're
Yep.
doing a good job, sis.
We're almost there.
We are. You're hanging in there strong. We're gonna go to the airport hotel tonight, right?
Yeah.
Close to the airport, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna eat some breakfast, and then we'll be officially at Disney World, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look, it's a big shower me. Look.
That's
My
silly.
head is big. My baby.
Yeah, say hi to the vlog. Pineapple and a washing machine. That's crazy.
Vacuum
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? We're getting ready to land, aren't we, Hazel?
Yeah,
We're so close to Florida. We're starting to be able to see all the buildings down there.
Yeah, we're getting really close. Oh, I can see all the
Do
cities.
you see any palm trees yet, Hazel?
Don't fly yet.
See the castle.
Yeah, maybe we can see Disney World. Keep your eye out for the castle.
I don't
Or
think.
a teeny tiny little Epcot. Oh.
Or maybe you'll see Tinkerbell flying around. We got a Band-Aid for our boo-boo. That made you feel better? Good. We pinched our finger in the tray. Yeah, Band-Aids make everything feel better.
Everything.
Yeah. How close are we getting to the ground now, Hazel?
This close.
Look at we're kind of turning now. See it all out there?
Yeah, it's like this close.
Wow, we're getting there.
We are landing.
Okay.
Like right now.
Yeah, look out the window. Let's see.
We landed. We
Well,
landed.
no, you'll feel the plane touch down. Okay. There we go. It just touched down.
It just touched down.
Oh.
I got 4D. That was hilarious.
That's amazing. Do you see any palm trees out the window yet?
Nope. No, I don't.
It's kind of hard because it's dark, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I see some in the distance over
Nice. Does that mean we're in Florida?
there. Yeah.
The pilot's landed in the right spot.
Yeah.
Good. Buddy
Oh, I
is
see
still
another airplane.
sleeping. Oh, nice. Another airplane. Buddy is still sleeping. Okay, here we go.
Like every 2 pieces and then have to wait for me to come home.
Wow, it's late at the airport, isn't it? We got in a late flight. Where we at, girls?
Disney.
Well, yeah. Where are we?
Florida.
We're in Florida. Yeah. So tomorrow, where are we going tomorrow?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that big orange airplane.
What do you think, Mom? Remember? Here we go.
You're a resident.
Mayor Buddy Dyer.
You're one of our neighborhood's 7 days. Welcome.
He's the mayor of Orlando. Think you're gonna sleep well tonight?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's fair.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails.
Epcot Bowl. Look it up. Can't see it. What's up, dude? Did you have a good airplane
I
ride?
can't sit up right there. All you can do is
Yeah. You dancing?
Oh, you want to dance with us? Yeah, 1 through 4. So 1, 2.
Can you all? I smell that fresh Florida air.
Where would 1, 2, 3, 4 be?
What's up, dude?
Oh, I can see a palm tree right there.
Yeah, look at those.
Palm trees.
Palm trees. Does that mean we're in Florida?
Yep.
We don't see those in Michigan, do they?
Ella. Mom.
What's up, dude? Yeah. All the way down. Here, I can push and pull.
355. 50.
What's up, dude?
Sheep. That's it. That's it.
What's up, bud?